Hey guys, what's up? We are back at Universal. We're hanging out to look at the Warner Brothers tour. Over there. Let's go there instead. What's going on, you guys? We are back here at the Warner Brothers studio tour. It's been a minute, but we are back in, what is it? Big, back and better and ever. We're not big.
Back better and ever.
Let's go. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
First, we have this shack right here next to us. This appeared in Aquaman with Jason Momoa. There's a scene where Randall Park and Black Manta are talking about how they're going to find Aquaman that was shot right inside of this shack. And since I'm a big horror movie fan, I like to mention that Annabelle Creation did shoot some scenes inside the shack. And Ian Malcolm says, "We must go faster while being chased by a T-Rex."
Must go faster.
Fortunately, this car cannot go further than 8 miles per hour, so it's restricted to the speed. But most of Jurassic Park was shot inside of Hawaii. But because of a hurricane, the production had to evacuate, and they decided to shoot that scene over here. Is the background of Central Park. So whenever you see Friends and you see the background and all the cars and all that stuff going around, that is going to basically be Hennessy Street. Very malleable, we can change it to anything, and we need this flexibility for production designers to switch out the buildings in the ways that they need to make them look. So in the case of styrene, it also allows us to save on the cost of maintaining brick and stone, which are most of these buildings are made.
This is Hennessy Street as it was seen in the 1982 motion picture version of the musical Annie. Hennessy Street was named in memory of production designer Dale Hennessy, who was nominated for an Academy Award for his work on this film. And you can still find his name on a plaque in the sidewalk, just outside of that door. Transformed into Gotham City for the Batman movies, and it was the futuristic Rouge City in Steven Spielberg's AI, artificial intelligence.
As you can see, we have production designers are responsible for making sure that you have seen this street so many times, but you have never noticed. To make it look like rain, we have to enhance the droplets to make them look visible to the camera, because rain, as we can see it, cannot be perceived by the camera. So we have to enhance it to make it a lot bigger. So usually rain in movies is going to be about this much.
You have a knack for getting in trouble.
You have a knack for saving my life.
Tobey Maguire is hanging upside down, and he has these big droplets falling onto him. If they hadn't stuck cotton balls up his nose, he would have probably drowned. So if you see that scene once again, and you see Tobey Maguire's neck, it's bulging, that's not him flexing, that's just him trying to breathe through those cotton balls.
Oh my.
Mood.
Can I reenact the photo real quick? Give me a string.
Give you a string. We're gonna hang you
I'll
upside
hold your
down.
legs. I'll hold your legs.
Yes.
Right there we have our water tower. That area is sectioned up. To film The Music Man, we changed it with a statue, and for a musical and live rendition of A Christmas Story that was shot right here, we changed that with a Christmas tree. Really quickly, we right here have the very last set of Casablanca is in this corner right here, beside the Italian kitchen. It was played the Cafe Pierre in Casablanca, and then right in front of it, the blue brick building. You have seen La La Land. You might remember Emma Stone's character Mia works as a barista. That is the building where she works.
master has given Dobby a soak.
Down and your script will appear at the bottom of the screen along with a timing prompt. Just read along with the script.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
This is so loud.
Oh my God. Alright, so you touch the beasts in the book to activate them on the wall. Is that a lollipop? Come on, photo op coming out of Newt's suitcase. Alright, what do you think? Do you think it's gonna look like we're coming out of the suitcase?
It's gonna look just like it.
We're gonna make a potion. What are we drafting up? What are we making? Liquid luck? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Got these some wand choreography. Oh!
So the idea is to follow the ingredients listed to create the perfect potion.
Nice, bro.
Are you ready?
Wait, what?
Armament to the core. A head like yours is a joy to see. Hufflepuff!
Oh!
One more time.
I wonder. I'm wearing two hats.
Ah, shrewd and sharp. Slytherin!
Oh, look at this Hufflepuff. Look at this Hufflepuff. Look at this Hufflepuff. Apparently, I don't want to be rude. Oh my god.
Come on, Hogwarts kids.
This is like $3,200 a month in New York City.
What about
A
LA?
cute studio apartment.
Welcome to Los Angeles.
Oh, so y'all just really trying to hurt my pockets in this gift shop. There's a Friends section, a Harry Potter section, Big Bang, DC. My money. So I remember we talked about this in a previous vlog, how Universal Studios did not have the spirit jerseys for the houses. The spirit jerseys for the houses are here for the... Babe, what's that?
Huh?
What's that?
Essentials.
Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
As it should be.
Look at this, you guys.
Only $200?
Right.
Get it.
Just gonna put this back, Lucius. Sorry. The house spirit jerseys are so cute. Can you show the front? So they all have the emblem. I love that they're written about. I just don't understand why they don't have them in the parks.
You would expect them to.
They have them in Orlando. I just feel like we just gotta go to Orlando. That's it.
See you there.
All right, you guys. That is the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, Hollywood. They're honestly, we got here at 11 o'clock. It's 4 p.m.
You can do so much within the
There's
hours.
a lot
So
to do. There's a lot to do. We did the 1 hour guided tour and then the unguided tour, which is like just shopping and walking through the experiences. But it just got a revamp. I definitely recommend checking it out. But for today, I need a meal.
No.
Never a dull day. That's a wrap. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow,
Bye.
share,
Comment. Like, subscribe, share.
Pivot. Pivot.